Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of a condition known as gout. Now, gout is a medical condition which is usually characterized by attacks of arthritic pain, most commonly seen in the base of the big toe, though other joints like the ankles, knees, wrists, fingers and elbows can also be affected. Now, alcohol binges, hypertension, obesity, the use of certain medications, and some diseases like hyperthyroidism and leukemia can cause gout. Some people may have only the manifestation of high blood levels of uric acid, which is known as hyperuricemia, while other patients may have gout symptoms which include arthritis, reduced kidney function and kidney stones. The arthritis of gout is characterized by severe pain in the affected joints, redness, swelling and discoloration, and usually results from the deposition of uric acid crystals in the tissues. The Ayurvedic herbal treatment of gout consists of giving symptomatic treatment for the symptoms as well as treating the root cause of the disease, which is an excess of uric acid and which is deposited in abnormal locations. Now, several Ayurvedic herbal medicines are known to be specific in their action for the treatment and management of gout. These medicines reduce the presence of uric acid in the blood and also flush the uric acid crystals deposited within tissues and joints. These medicines usually remove the uric acid through the kidneys. Medicines are also used which treat the inflammation, swelling and pain in different joints. Medicines are also given to preserve and repair the kidney function and to help dissolve kidney stones if present. Now, it is also important to investigate the affected individual thoroughly in order to diagnose any condition responsible for high uric acid levels. If present, such medical conditions like hyperthyroidism and leukemia need to be treated. Ayurvedic treatment for gout and its complications usually need to be continued for about 2 to 4 months depending upon the severity in order to get complete relief from the condition. Complications like chronic kidney failure may need to be treated for longer periods. Conditions like leukemia need to be treated aggressively for at least 6 to 9 months or possibly longer. So in this way, Ayurvedic herbal treatment can completely treat and cure gout. Of course, lifestyle changes and diet changes need to be advised to the patient so as to prevent recurrence. So friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for gout. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.